We just won a grant for just over $9 million to fence 23 miles between Fruitland and Starvation Reservoir. It's to retrofit 3 existing underpasses that are getting a lot of use by deer right now, and then build an all-new underpass. We'll tease out the location for that as we go out and do some site visits, but it will be somewhere in that corridor. This specific grant is part of a rural sub-grant for areas where there isn't a lot of development. This area is especially important too because it's a corridor for oil and gas trucks, and so those big trucks are a big danger to animals. There's just going to be a huge increase of those trucks. They think it will double in the next 10 years. Wildlife crossings are a vital part of wildlife connectivity. So a lot of these roads have for a long time stopped animals from trying to cross from one side to the other. That's the biology standpoint. From a public safety standpoint, each one of these collisions has the chance of being a minor to major to even fatal injury or death. And so that's UDOT's real goal, is to make sure that we are cutting down on those collisions and making sure that UDOT travelers are safe, Utah's travelers are safe.